Hi, and welcome to theprisonpress.com. I'm Christina, and for the next 60 seconds, I'll be walking you through a new and innovative way to keep connected and stay in touch with your loved one during their time of incarceration. The Prison Press was created with the vision of helping family units stay in contact for the duration of a prison sentence, while helping to maintain and support family bonds with dedicated channels for open communication. How does it do that, you ask? Well, I'm going to show you. To get started, simply connect using your Facebook account. You will then be asked a series of questions to help us better understand you and your inmates' needs. Upon completing the form, you'll be prompted to add your inmate's name and the correctional facility where you'd like the letter sent to. With the hard part over, simply sit back and relax for the next 24 hours as we create your inmate's personalized page, assign you as the local page admin, and interconnect the page into your unique Prison Press software. You will then be notified and supplied with all necessary links as soon as your inmate's page has successfully been created. Now the fun begins. With the page active, you'll be able to write a short letter to your loved one, which will also be used as the newsletter's cover page. In addition, you will also have the ability to upload photos into the albums, which will then be automatically uploaded directly into the newsletter. Behind the scenes, you will be pulling in all the feeds, comments, posts, and shares, etc. that all your friends have posted on your inmate's page. Once your letter is ready for the delivery, hit the Send a Letter button located on the top menu, and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully send the letter to your loved one. Imagine your loved one's reaction when they receive not only a personalized letter from you, but also a personalized custom newsletter including messages, pictures, and updates from all their friends and family, inspiring them with the love and support that awaits them on the outside. With messages of encouragement and constant connection to everyone, your inmate will feel closer to home, while having something to look forward to during their time away. Show your inmate how much you care by closing the gap that the prison system has sentenced you both to, and send your loved one a loving letter today.